And welcome back, everybody. Today, right now, I am checking through. My name is Keith AKA Uhfgood. You probably know that already by watching this already. These already. Um, Anyways, I'm building a game. It's going to be in 3D space. You can call it 2.5D. You can call it 2D and 3D space, which is what I usually call it. So essentially, it's going to operate in 3D. It's just I'm not using 3D models for the characters, and it's going to be primarily a 2D viewpoint. In other words, not fixed all the time cameras, because it's going to be instead of scrolling, it's going to be camera movements, but fixed in the point of that you don't go into the scene or out or whatever. I'm just going to do some parallaxing a little bit, some fun stuff, you know, in 3D space. So we'll see how that works out. Anyways, right now I am going to check not that. I'm going to check the add-ons. Now I don't remember where that stuff is, but let's see if I can find preferences. I don't think it's. No, it's not preferences, is it? Yes, it is preferences. Add-ons. And what do we got? Let's see if we got anything for Collada AE. Here, export, camera animation, export. Okay, so we probably don't have that as an add-on. I mean, I think we can export. Let's see something here. Export Collada default. Alright. So, I'm assuming that we don't have it. That, somehow it. I mean, I know the standard one's in there, so I don't know if it's whatever, right? Make sure you adjust your location accordingly. Okay, so let's go ahead and download the zip file. And I don't like Brave doesn't allow you to somehow open zip files. I have to actually save them. So let's save it. Let's go ahead and open. Now, there we go. Okay, before I do anything, let's go back to the tutorial. IO scene DAE folder into your Blender scripts folder. IO. Copy this zip folder. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's go back up one, and let's go ahead and extract this into. Let's check this out. Let us go to D drive, and let us go to dev stuff, and let us go to Armory, because that's where Blender is actually. Armory 0.6 is in here. I almost should go ahead and download the latest version of Blender 2.8, but they haven't got to official release just yet. Here, let's see something here. Let's actually move this up just a tad. Well, maybe not that much. Jeez. How about that? Okay, that looks good to me. Okay, so let's go to Armory. Let's go to 2.8. Let's go to scripts, and I think it's going to be under add-ons, but here, let's just check here. Scripts, add-ons. Okay, let's go to add-ons, and Iocene DAE, and that's okay. Alright, so let's say okay. Let's say okay. I'll probably have to restart, but that's alright. Mac's slightly different. Get to the right place. Content, resources, scripts, add-ons. If you've installed Blender in a custom directory or running a portable version, you'll need to modify the directory you're using accordingly. With that done, open Blender and install the add-on. User preferences. Better in this case. Let us see if Blender needs to be reopened. So let's go back to preferences, user preferences, add-ons. Let's type in better. It's not in there. Okay, so that means I'm gonna have to close this, and then I'm gonna have to restart it so it can reload it. Actually, there's probably some way to reload it, but we'll just see anyways here. Add-ons. Let's type in better. Ooh. Okay, it's not in there. Alright. So somehow install how weird. So something is wrong here. This is 2.79. Go into preferences. Activate. Okay. How are we doing? Kind of surprised. I'm not really that surprised though, I guess, because either okay, I probably should do it from a install from file. Whoop. Alright. Let's go to right. See let's go up here. See use Uhfgood downloads. There. Install it. Let's see what we got here. Now, let's see if we can find better. I can. I don't know why that's not working. So how come I can't get that to work? Could be because of the copy of Blender I'm using, possibly. so let's go to downloads. I don't care. Let's check out README. Wait, let's go back to the page and let's go back to here. Okay, so let us see here. Installation. Copy the IO-scene DAE directory to the location where Blender stores its scripts add-ons folder on your system. You should see other IO-scene folders there from other add-ons. Copy the entire directory, not just the contents. Go into Blender settings and enable the Better Collada Exporter plugin. Doesn't look like I can do that. Meh. Alright. I don't care about that. Alrighty, so let's go to D drive, let's go to dev stuff, let's go to armory, let's go to 2.8, let's go to scripts, let's go to add-ons, IO, scene DAE, Blender settings, and then enable the plugin. I don't know. Maybe it's too old. Maybe it doesn't work with preferences, render window, help. So maybe this doesn't work because it's not the right thing here. Add-ons. Refresh. Add cursor, camera development, import, export, FBX. How are we doing on time? We're done. Alright, we'll see you in the next video. Maybe I won't get to do this today. Maybe I'll just export it via the regular Collada export anyways. So let's see. We'll see. So thanks for watching, and maybe we'll see what will happen in the next video.